Yes, my people, boy. Me the one this a show ya. Me know say something miss from the show, but that's why me carry a part 4 to do the final chapter. Because you know say evil have to pay. So we have to find the evil for making repent and everything. So you know say when you see me the Bible, you know a part 4 I go do. Right? So share and like and subscribe. So the more people me see I watch and the more me will push out movie in faster and faster. Me even try to push it every 2 days or every other day. Depends upon the views how me see they go up. The more it go climb and the more me go in enough. Me have one series to do. It's gonna be like something like Carnival. But a little drama, a little joke, a little twist, a little suspense. You know me I talk about, but big up everybody we watch and big up the whole crew. Remember say the TV is still on the line. When you get 20k, one somebody in the 14 parish will be getting a call. Me will call everybody, but anybody answer the phone and give me the right correct number when I go now. Yeah, when we win the TV, remember that.
Yeah, one is so good. So I feel like a boyfriend there.
No, sente eu pai hace.
Oh. Am I right? Okay. So nothing new. Nothing new.
Why? Something new, yes.
Like something new hairstyle I create or something. Some new hairstyle I create.
I'm not like that.
Yeah, get fat though other day and so fat.
The reason why I get fashion pregnant.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Pregnant before me?
Yeah.
Every day I try so long. How long me there try with Jay? You know from when you want a baby? God, you know much things happen to me. Me I wonder if there's something wrong with me if I breathe, me can't breathe or what.
Time for come, man. The time for come.
Look how you're young and you have a baby already before me. Although I'm happy for you still, congratulations. Because me I say, me know say your name so fat. Because even in July when you see you, you're a slim girl, because your belly get big. You get fat man. If you see him boy over here, they breed for them. They didn't say they don't breed them and he told me make a good couple. I think he's going to be one good father. But I get some water and come back. I come there.
Yeah, you think.
If you want to long hours. Jay,
Yeah.
step in my kitchen.
What? Sir, what is that?
You know, some feel like something wrong with me.
You don't understand what you're trying to say, baby.
Two miscarriage me have. And you know, some friend out there, so she younger than me, right? And she pregnant. And a two baby me lose. So something must wrong with me.
Listen, sometime in life, I know if your body is a problem. Maybe you're like stress out yourself too much. When you're stressed, you lose the fitness them. If you stop stress.
Babes, no, this situation now in make me stress. Other day your daughter come down here, Stacy can your daughter come down here, so-called daughter, with a jacket, right? So that now make me stress. I never know so I'm pregnant and I take up that palm my head.
No, but you understand this. I try my best to put it there so it can burn. Yes? But maybe it's for a good reason. So you better worry yourself in due time you shall have a baby. But for right now, let's not talk about that. When we hear about that, memories come back to me. I don't want to hear about it, they haunt me right now.
Every minute me pack up and leave, how much time? I want something now come again, maybe have to pack up and leave this time. I'm tired of it, man.
No, listen, everything is alright in the car. You know, remember next big contract, anytime you get it sorted out, with the pant up on the mountain.
Yes, I think when I did have this, when I get a house, I'm all happy and alright and just be with you.
You're going to happy, man, but you have to just understand this situation. The contract from me I get, sometimes it gets on task, it kind of rough. You know, it's hard to explain to you right now. I don't know how to tell you, so just make it hard. Because right now, I'm not trying to work on right now, we get that.
You know, I feel what you tell me, say she's pregnant and me lose two baby.
Don't worry about that, man. Just relax, man. Let she born, right? You know, other one?
No, I want my own child. If you say I want grown up with me and then in a longer run, they won't tell me say me and their mother, they want a real mother.
No, we can go to the hospital and other one, we'll just push out.
Babe, I want to have one child with you. You're the guy who I love.
But
Just make me life happy, no stop stress me.
you don't understand.
Not really you are stressing me, but
no, listen. The thing what I'm trying to say, I can't say it, so I can't explain it. But if you should pregnant now, it's not gonna come. So I don't wanna go into details.
what, something wrong with you?
No, it's not me. Listen, I promise you, I'll figure out a way, I'll start out a way. When we get everything started, then, no wait, let's you have money. Money can't don't give money is money.
But babes, money is not happiness.
Hello! When we never have money, we never happy.
You
No,
always so
no.
sad.
Money is happiness. Money by your way out. You have food, you can go to anywhere. You can go to Burger King. Money is happiness. Without money, you don't have joy.
But me have money now, I'm not happy.
Alright, that's why we are working on the next contract, so we have more money. So we can sleep on money.
Babes, just stop talking about money for a while and think about us. Money can't break us apart, you know, because if you care about money so much, you not care about me and money you care about.
Well,
You come first before money.
you come first before
Oh, you're not putting me
no,
first?
listen, before friend. You come first before friend, but when it come on to money, baby, listen.
You remember that I never have no money when
Yeah.
you meet.
And
I
then,
still love you, right?
right, and then my friend introduced me to this contract and I started to do it, and I think doing that would make you more happier.
Listen, I only hope some money not get paid, right?
No, baby, money not get, listen, I'm well alright. Let's go back, go here, and I'm gonna go now to try start or something, because I need to deliver so we can get some money pump up back in the system, because right now I'm losing money. Money is,
You don't say I love money, but maybe next week I'll check up myself again. That's why problem.
no, you don't even do no check up, baby. Tonight, I'm gonna put back on money. How are you? So how are you? Yeah?
I love you, I know.
Yeah, man, I'm first. Yeah. Trouble. I feel call Bobby now. Trouble for the line. Trouble.
So Jerry, what go on?
Alright, man. You know, I know I admit that I come from a woman down there being here. How are you going?
Oh, I'm so glad to see you. So how are you there from when home and I see you?
Well, kind of busy, I know I deal with some things because right now I'm not someone look deep right now, I'm trying for the sort out right now.
Do you feel that depend really on your millionaire?
Don't worry about that. My boss them a call me and they want me to do something and me can't. Me try to resource it and he kind of, you know how them contract business they go, it just kind of bust my brain right now.
Speaking of the contract, you not tell me about it?
Nah, yeah, as a friend, I'm going to tell you straight up. Stop asking about the contract.
I was so.
Listen to me. Just stop. You better go look and work in a Chinese supermarket. You can go like Burger King, KFC, Popeyes and places to work. Work for your honest bread. Load the contract alone.
Oh, so I'm working in a Chinese, we may only get $9,000 a week. You see, I'm to be a millionaire too. You know I'm rich. Are you alone for rich?
I learned something in life. You see, everybody who is rich, there's something behind the doors.
I was so.
No, I'm not reading. I just try to. Wow.
I'm to you. Jerry, I'm to you.
Hear that now. Hold on. Alright. Ooh.
You want to go, doctor?
No, mama, I'm not a doctor. But as me say, just leave that alone. Please don't ask me no question about that.
Oh, so you don't drive no nice car then. You don't have a nice house. You don't build mother house. You don't see me tired to walk. Look on the road me I walk pan. I drive me for you drive on the road here.
The man rusty road there. But listen, when me I tell you, say no. You see, if you get a nice 9 to 5 job, all you have to do is save my money. One day I might reach it up. Or
You can't say what a 9 to 5.
we understand, but try to suck salt most of the time. Try listen. If you eat big at the time, you eat small. If you can cook one time for the week and pass out the food and put in a fridge, tomorrow you put in a microwave, the next day you put in a microwave. Right? You don't use a microwave neither. Just throw it up in a pot. Fry it.
If me poor and a fear walk, we will get money from to buy microwave.
Well, you kind of have a point still, but no, you have to follow me come. Where I go by the? I don't have me idea how I go.
Of course, where else? You know tell me something to go. Sure. Oh yeah, I do that too, you know.
No, listen to me no. That's low.
But then he hadn't go still anyways. Because when I tell me say I go call me, I'm not see I call me, so I come down there personally to you.
So you want one of the contract, you say?
Yeah.
So me ask you a question now. I want you to give me you think say you can manage the contract?
What do you mean by me can't manage the contract?
When
You see me a suffer?
sometimes when I hear people talking about contract, you have different meaning of contract. And oh!
What am I going to sell me body?
No, hold on. Oh. No, I'm not. Alright, just look off of that. Wow, come back. Just look off of that. What about that? Yeah. Continue for your way, me. Look how busy.
So let's better come down here yard then.
No, later me come pick you up and go down there. Just, go on, go wait for me down so me I go deal with something up there.
I see your style that you know.
No, me check one of my friend and come back and pick you up down there so man. Just sit down where we always sit down. Me I come pick you up there so. As simple as that. Trust me no man.
You're lying still.
Just trust me.
Hello? Yes, ma'am. I just do my delivery. Going to check my account and see if my payment has reached. Alright.
Why?
I'm doing now.
Are you calling killer man?
Oh god.
You have problem now in my yard man this morning. The woman are doing here and just keep up out of the blues. I talk about the 2 miscarriages we have. And you know like the idea of what go on. What go on in my life?
But listen up, what me don't tell her before you come in at this, you know. And tell her say if you can't carry, she go take them.
But me try to find somebody to sacrifice. It's hard. It's not like sometimes it's so innocent so me don't want to trouble them. Why she have to just sacrifice the 2 picking them and no woman really want a picnic.
Yes, but me tell her say if you can't carry it, remember I'm telling you not tell nobody about it. Nobody not supposed to know about the contract, you know. So if you are going to go around and you are going to tell people about the contract, when you put them in a she are going to take them.
Oh, you know, so when I come up a while ago, I tell one of my friends now almost about the contract and so pain I lick me in my head and I said, Lord Jesus.
Nobody not supposed to know about the contract. So if you are going to tell people about it, as long as you put them, you put it in a she are going to take them.
No, but it's hard. We can't find nobody right now to sacrifice. We don't know who a virgin from who a virgin. We need to back out of it. We can't take in no more. We need to back out. We need to satisfy with the money we have.
Jade, let me tell you something. You see, if you ever get up one day and decide say you go back out, just remember me tell you say you go mad for the rest of your life. You see, as long as I come to this, there is no coming out. So just make up your mind.
We are talking about mad out. Listen, Daddy, me, no matter what, me have to left. Me cannot sacrifice anymore. Me do one sacrifice already and me never like it. And then the woman will pressure me to find more virgin. It's hard. And then the woman will take me 2 picnic them out of the belly and take the first one now and come back and take the next one. Me have to come out. My woman need a child. We happy now. We alright with the money we have. And the house that we have now. Me not really need no more.
Alright, Jay. Back out, but not only you go mad, you know, you're going to lose everything. You're going to lose the house and you're going to lose the money at your account, just like that.
See? Oh, but me already have the house. Me buy it already and me already have the money in my account. How can she really take back out then the money that daddy? Me can just back out if me want right now. It's a win or lose situation. There have to be a loophole where me can. Me tired of it. Me tired of it. They think of boy if you walk and look for somebody to sacrifice. Me cannot. And then when me can't find it, the woman take my unborn child out of my woman. How she do that? How that happen? How you can take out an unborn child from a mile away?
Alright. Yeah, I say how she do that from so far. How she put the money in your account from so far. Remember, you know, she put it in there, you know, so she can reverse it, she can take out back it. If she put it in there, she can take it out back. You know what, Richie? You know what have private jet? You know what have private plane? Just think about what you do. Just sit down and think about what you do. Because if you back out, you don't have nothing. If you back out, you don't have nothing. You see you want rich, me bring you to her, she make you rich. But now it come like say, just because you have to do certain things just for rich, you don't want to do it. When a time for you have picnic, we have picnic. But as long as you put them in her, she go take them out back. So it don't make sense. So you have to just think about what you do.
Listen, if she want to take you back, she take you back. Because me, they go confront her and tell her, I say, listen me, I don't in a no more foolishness, no more bullshit. If me didn't know, say, I saw it going to happen. No go. Me just think I just one sacrifice, I'm rich forever. Me never know, so me have to continue it, brother. You hear me, I say that? You done with the right, so. me not think me want to go down further. Me go confront her. If me not do it tomorrow, me do it another day. I mean, me tired of it now. Me want me woman, want pick me. I love me woman love you when they poor. And because I'm a selfish greedy and you know, can't mean that I can't.
Well, Jay, you can't see me name one as a friend, you know. Are you a choice?
Me know.
Me name tell you know.
Me just want happy. Money, yeah, money sweet, you know. Me I tell you the money really sweet, my daddy. But
So me ask you a question, can a mad person be happy?
she don't do that. She can't mad. I bluff, she a bluff.
Alright then. Alright, she's mad about evil, you know. Remember me tell her that, you know. So you're a choice. She can't do it.
Me think about it first. But alright, me link you.
Alright then, do it.
If I check back my friend, he must be away from me. Good as I wonder when me there. So long.
Do it.
Oh boy. Where's it now? You ready?
No, sir.
Yes,
Me think you never dare go come how long you take. I mean, that is so.
They deal with some business, man. You seriously wait for me to?
Can you tell me something for weird pan you? Me sit down right here so over 3 to 4 hours now.
You will survive. Come on. No matter do it. Come on, let's go.
No, sir. Sweat me and sweat.
I'll say my life. Come on, man.
Yay. What we doing? How we are there? I'm letting get on. What do you mean by what we are there? I feel me a fear house. No my man house this. You know, it's because I come back after that then happen, that incident that happened. What do you mean you didn't expect me to come back? See you did there? No. Just there working off for Jay, you know. Help him out with one of those so-called daughter when you say I feel him pitney and it turns out I feel him pitney. Anyway, I want to money me come back home borrow, so what's your problem? Look here, I don't know why I'm a man having no, but I don't have no money for your girl. Come out of my house, because my man not there. Listen, and you may come to your man, so you can't tell me if you come out, I come for my money. Girl, I say come out of my house. What's that right? Sure. Alright. Okay, alright. I think I was alright.
Tired. Baby! Baby. You can't
Good evening.
You're done.
You're done.
I want you to wonder what you are, don't you? You can't turn on the light.
So, when you come see I kept it down?
I'm going to take you to the back fence, man. That's why you never told them you pass to the front. You know already, remember that she did make. You know say your friend I try to set me up. But
Oh, yes. Oh, go on. Good. Yeah, man.
but anyway still, you could cook some to the food, man. And the old idiot remain there cook.
Yes, we tell us I'm in a fever already. You think you don't have something to eat? Nothing in our fridge. Fridge empty.
No, we have your bank card, you go to the supermarket and buy what you want, and buy anything. Remember say? Right. But anyway, I'm going to talk to my friend out there, yeah? So,
Alright.
nah, we'll talk now.
Alright. Yeah, man. Alright.
So, alright, that's it.
You want some of this?
I can run Jamaican right now.
You want some?
Top ramen, best quality food. When you know I cook no rice, no chicken, when I boil all them with pepper and knife.
You want some?
No man, just take it. We have too much on the plate right now. What is that? See how much after. Alright, now. Let's say one nobody contact, right?
Of course, them no must.
You see what the reason why I don't want to say it on the road because it's a thing when we can't to talk. Oh. But anyway, do not ask about that anymore. May your friend. It's not good. It's not a good thing to do. Me get your work. As a friend, me get your work. Me have one cousin, We need housekeeping right now. If I go a foreign and he wants somebody to take care of his mother. He might pay good. He might pay more than 9,000 too. You get 100 US a week. That's enough. So by the month of 400, you know what? And you live in, you eat food. So nobody asks nothing about no contract, me and your friend. You don't want to know about that. Just low it alone. I beg you. Low it alone. Just, a matter of fact, go on. Give me phone. Give me a phone. Give me your number.
So what?
No, listen. No, nobody take up that right now. May I tell you?
So where make me come down here for wasting time?
Because we don't want to step on the road. Just call him or text him on WhatsApp and him get the job. Me and your friend, I know a long time I treat me good. Me don't want. Me well why you rich. But when people rich too quick, something behind it, and we can't explain it to you. So go and go get the work now. You say you did want work, come get your work. That come like a contract cause I'm living here and living. Save out tight, you put on $40 US every week.
I style me smartly, you know, Jay.
You love your life?
But I must love my life, but you style me smartly.
No, me say if you love your life. That me I ask. You love your life?
Why would you love my life?
Take a job with me, give you.
You know I'm rich, don't
You know what I say? You know, listen. If me didn't humble myself, me only in a situation I'm in right now.
what kind of situation is that? The chair rich and big house, and hold up a car, and choose to walk?
You don't understand what I try to tell you, and you still not learn. Go on and take a job, no man, and love it alone. Just take a job. You know what? Make you rich. You see one come and mash up your life. Rich. Not every rich people live a good life.
Say now live a good life.
There's a story behind a life and we cannot explain it to you. Just go and go take your walk and give you. You say you want a work and find a work for you. As simple as that. Just go on, man.
You know, so I should follow my mind and follow my friend come and tell my friend say, yo, give me a nice work. And then look.
Then a nice work that.
Look.
$100.
You tell me say I'm gonna make me rich like you.
We find out this the we can't explain to you, that's man. Come on, here. Come on.
Alright, I just style smartly. Just remember.
Take care.
Yeah, they are still good, you know. They are going on one night. But what you say, brick drop? Cause a long time I wait on you, there, that the 3 point at the
One friend.
hold on the door, I call her back. Why pray?
There no, he know say a long time you want to say I talk to you about a little thing.
What that hour?
Sorry, so many tell me I'm pregnant, I'm not pregnant. You talk about money, you know you can't breed me now, you know. Can't catch up back, you know.
Boy,
So wait about that.
you know, say me not really depend on that door if you tell her the truth.
Why not?
The thing is kind of different and how they have back then. It can't happen right
Why
now.
can't happen again?
Cause that I pass and now we in our present. What we go have in our future go be nothing. Right.
I say you think.
That's what I know.
So you can't think about it, we can just you can text him back, you still have my number, right?
Alright, tell her. I still have your number. So just tell me the truth. You want me or you don't want me?
What you mean? That's why I'm asking if I still have my number, what you expect?
Alright, tell her. Link me later. No. Link me tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. And may I link up to do one thing and boss her. Cause I realize say I'm money here about and turn back. But
No.
that goes still cause I don't see how you turn. You see me? So tomorrow may I link up.
Alright then.
Alright, take care of yourself, yeah?
Alright.
It's like I get sexy though.
Thank you.
You eat breakfast, baby?
Yeah.
I took a walk on you because we kind of have some packets you go try to get to deliver.
Look here, I don't feel good for a man, you know. I just feel like there's something that's going to happen. I'm here to happen.
Oh, you don't understand this, baby. We can't in the yard there now. We have less than, probably, less than 1 day. So we have to go get the package to deliver.
Every day I go on the road, I can't spend some time in my house.
Soon. And time this a contract we complete. I tell you, baby, we set for life. We have a Bahamas for cool out for a week.
Every time I talk, I just contract I talk about. You love money too much. We have what we have already, you can satisfy. We have enough, we have a nice house, you have money that can serve us, we don't need nothing more. You need to run down be a contract.
Alright, since as you say we can satisfy with the little money we have, now talk to me, boss. I'm telling you, boy, you can't get no more package, so we just want done with it and load it and load it. And talk to them and here, so we have to stress out, so we can get a yard and then we can carry another youth. You see me? I'll do a boy, I don't say no. 2 miscarriages, that we have life, so we cannot, maybe you can't still, but I said no. But anyway, we have to say differently.
Well, I don't understand how I just lose them baby there, so I don't even lift up no heavy bag. I don't do nothing. All things just go in the bathroom and they start to be a blood.
Well, I tell you the truth, baby. I don't know if you tell about them part, they call me no doctor. But as we say, maybe I stress. Because stress is one part of it, you have to lift load. If you are stressed for something too long, you have to kill. You can mad out if you stress too long. But anyway, we'll be on my way. Let's take care.
Alright.
Yeah.
Sir, do I know you?
No, you don't know me, man. I'm walking around the area seeking children that need back to school things.
Oh no, I'm fine.
No, you sure?
Yes, positive.
No, listen, we can pay your school fee.
If you are ready.
If you're ready.
Yes.
What about the school books?
Buy already.
Not buy. So what about lunch money for the entire
Save
term?
up for already, man. Save up for already.
You save up?
Yeah.
Wow. That's really amazing. So what about, do you need any cash? I can give you like a...
Oh no, sir. Money is not the problem. Money is not.
Doom. Ah. Me go get knock, you know. Me go get knock. Need to deliver.
So I can look, sir.
I see a place again, I come back.
You come back, no sure.
If I don't feel place.
You don't worry about that. You come here, so everything good.
Alright. I'm not hit again, you know. Because last time wasn't nice.
Not like that.
Not like that. I'm not lying now. You know, be lie.
But if man a liar, the woman a evil, you have to just call a spade a spade. I say,
No,
woman
sir.
good.
A man first started.
Well, a evil mighty apple now, so. But that different still.
Mm-hmm.
What is going on?
Nothing less. I'm buy link up over there. So, see me now. So if you tell me.
How much I need to get again?
It's more $100 million.
You're first, man.
Me
You're
first.
first.
Me first.
Me. I don't say I turn comedian.
Remember say how much trouble you put me through, and pain you put me through to take off.
Girl, $100 million could have changed 2 hour life, could have not wear a flight on private plane. So be for real. How much you want?
Alright. It's all like that's too much money for you.
Not too much money for you get.
Alright. More than 100,000.
$100,000.
Yeah. To do me here, come on me here do one thing.
Alright, that can work. But here I go on. So look at hacking thing go on. We can do 50 grand tonight, so we may get your real soon. But if I 100 grand I want, so we have to go in and so do. So forward.
Okay. Why? You want to get this cool.
You tell about it, you like on the back screen.
But anyway, talk about the money. I'm going to put in my hand in your hand.
Yeah, money.
Yeah, talk about the money here.
Yeah, I'm sure you give you 100 and I did tight last time. But I'm a man of my word, so I'm going
Look fool. Ooh.
Yeah. You remember about idiot you them there tell about me the chicken say you're pregnant for him. Remember? Yes, right. Now I had me there I tried to take a food off of him. I have some money to give me come on and come at the party to him. I'm an idiot that man, idiot that. And he had me there and he had me there right now. When he say I have 5 money he give me, you know, he just cheap. So I'm not happy with him. Yeah, I'm walk to my party. Me wicked, I say, go. I idiot that man. 1, 2, 3 things that just, you know, use him and take him money and sleep. But you see a fool that you now will find out. You now will catch me like last time. A fool that.
You know what's I'm shoot for man do?
Hold on there.
Oh, no, put on the phone. Put the phone I said. Put the phone in.
Yeah, wait that.
Yes, yo. Girl, you better run, you know. You better run for yourself. Alright, now if
Where you get gun from?
you know what say I gooks me out door and I take money. And you know what say me no little man, but you have to go feel it door.
Mother Mose. I don't know if Bob call and tell her what I have to say. But me think me really want to back out because the woman lose 2 miscarriages.
Jay, listen to me now. I gave you a chance and you failed.
No a chance by taking away my one unborn child.
That was our deal.
No, the deal was to find a virgin. I mean, now find the virgin, so why you have to take my unborn child?
For everything that I have done for you, there's a price to pay.
Yeah, me know, but at least spare me unborn child.
You have 2 days. Time is ticking. Find me a virgin or you'll be mad for the rest of your life.
What we gonna find one virgin no hard? No virgin no exist in Jamaica. Finding get certain here they start pluck.
Find me a virgin, Jay.
I think I need to back out.
You will be mad. I will mad you, Jay. Find me a virgin. We had a deal.
One shot.
Go.
The money sweet me, but me never know that say that turn out.
Leave, Jay. Find me a virgin. Find me a virgin.
So we can't find one man of virgin.
Find me a virgin, Jay. Find me one. Find me a virgin.
My God. I don't watch my machine.
Hello.
I'm slow.
Where you come from so late? From morning your beard gone. All the photo I house you soon come.
First of all, I since evening I'm left. No, so yeah, maybe go in the morning, yes, but me come back though. And then I go out in the evening, me go deal with my business association. Right now, we kind of know the situation.
So you couldn't even call me and tell me?
When we go, the phone can't use it. Remember off board, they put up a big old satellite, cut off all signal.
So what am I saying now?
Well, they must say, if we can't deliver them package, we're going to end up broke.
Broke?
Yeah, meaning they must take back the money from me and the house.
Babes, where you get yourself in there now?
No, sometimes...
See, you never read it, something where you sign.
By read what?
No one contract you sign.
Every contract is a different contract. Me always, me can't explain it. And we can't talk about it right now. We can't explain it, then listen there. But it's not fresh, it's not for worry, man. What are you worried for?
For a week me I have migraine. Every time you come at some bad news you come with.
No, me go find them package that they want. I lost the package and I need it to deliver, so me have to, that's why sometimes I go up on the road, me a hunt.
When I pick me a drop out of the sky, now we are talking about how house I go take back.
No, you know, I mean like that, man. As long as the package deliver, more money come in your account. More, you know, money I go flourish. You flourish, and money make a year look good more. And flourish.
Look here, you try and make sure so they don't take back your house. Because if they take back a house, yeah, we don't have nowhere else to go.
We can't go back at the old house, so yeah. But anyway, that is not the most important thing. If they take the house, take back the money, we can't tell them what's going to happen.
Well, anything happen, we not leave your side.
You sure?
You sure? Just make sure say you stay loyal to me.
Listen what me say. Remember, you know, if the contract take it from me not only lose the house, and me not only lose the money. We gonna lose something, but we can't tell you until when you say you will take care of me as long as we know.
Why you can't tell me?
When the day come and me tell you tie me up, you tie me up.
So what's up? You don't trust me?
Me trust you, baby. What me I tell you say when the day come and me not deliver, just tie me up. Don't let me go. And tie me more. Don't let me say no, tie me more.
Well, I hope that day not come because I don't have no strength to tie you up.
No, because I tell you no, I don't. In time, you hear me say, time, tie me up. Tie me up, tie me out, and please don't pull it. And just lock the door, and maybe just send all the pastor them in there.
I don't know what you're talking about. Talk foolish.
No, man, just talking up, hey, ears and bush and ears, you can't talk to you, can't tell nothing. Just relax, man.
So if you tell me this now, you're going to have me afraid. Because it sounds like a something bad. Another bad news again.
But I prank you once.
One, first.
I prank you, no friend, man, everything good, man.
We soon done cook.
Alright, baby. I prank you, yeah? Yes, man, me there, yeah. Yo, me have a little serious situation in here to talk. Me have less than 24 hours to deliver. If me can deliver a virgin right now, me no problem. Remember that you listen, let me talk virgin. And you bring me in a rich. And now me have problem because me try back up, me can't back up, me need the virgins here, me come want the money. You think me want the woman sacrifice me and born child them again?
What you say? So it two miscarriage them woman have. Are you responsible for that?
No.
How can you do this?
No, listen, no. Me want to try to tell her, me try to tell her, me can't tell her because me tell her things that will happen.
We pick the them. Why if you sacrifice me pick the them?
Sit down, listen, alright.
Why you want me to sit down?
No, I don't me do it. Just listen up. Listen what happened. Yeah, listen. Me not supposed to tell you, but me I go tell you. My friend introduced.
Look, give me what you know.
No, listen up. My friend introduced me to this mad Obia woman, to rich. And we didn't make one sacrifice because I'm virgin. And then some money come enough to me turn idiot.
So you sacrifice me pick them?
No, listen up. But to me can't find no more virgin to deliver. She did take it first and ban child. And then one money come in.
You sacrifice me because of money.
I don't me do it and she do it. And the wicked woman do it and on me. Why would I want to do that? My one child.
So you never know where you get yourself in a.
Me never know.
And you really turn up here looking at my face and lie to me.
No, listen, we didn't reach in our position where we have to just take it deal. That's why we come to me and say, yes, we get through. Then the sacrifice we're going to make.
I don't know all of them, I don't tell me. I don't get yourself out that is you want to sacrifice me, I don't pick me. One to you. Oh, I can't go on so. Babes.
Yes!
Look here, prank, you try to prank me. Where you come on that go on so? Ouch! Aye!
darling. What go on?
No, so they do.
You know, suddenly you just a come to go link Jay. You tell him say me get the work where he give me. And plus, right now, me I get big raise in here. Rather me a save can buy a car right now.
I don't want to cut you, but you know, say Jay mad out. I don't know how come. Right now, at 10th floor, I can go at the night, right? Mad out, start talk all kind of something. Like something that go on. Him, I don't know what him do. Like him sacrifice something. I don't really want to make him know our business like that. But I know say I'm my friend. But I have to go find some help give him. Because I'll hear him. I talk about how him sacrifice my 2 baby them.
Huh?
My 2 unborn child and him sacrifice. All kind of things are going in our life right now. I'll come go at 10th floor and he escape, you know, and him me there and walk up and down and look for right now.
Escape?
Me no know. Him, like the doctor then can't control him because even me could control him. Me tell us him drag me here, him a pull up my clothes and him strong. Because you know so when people mad them get extra strong. Me know him get that the extra strength there from. The even 10 somebody can hold him. So me see saying kinda I don't know where in there but me see saying love ramping come like a little baby. You know he not really mad but he just like a baby right now. So I wonder if he in a bush them or somewhere.
So if you say baby them a mad him?
Me no know. Cause to me see it I want to baby ma go on like my ramp with tie and a haul off my clothes off of me. He not eat out a rubbish bin or nothing. But he mad. So I wonder if he in a bush them a ramp with dirt or something. I don't know if you even can help me look for him. Or I go somewhere.
Which part you see you go?
Up on the bush then because more likely if he come back here so kind of miss me. Choo! Choo 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 choo! Choo choo! Choo choo choo! Choo choo choo! Choo baby baby! Baby! Hello? Yeah. Choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo. Yeah, young miss, come here, please. Sorry if you stop it, but you pass no man up your road there?
Man, alright, miss, there's a lot of man in the world. You need to be more specific. Describe him or something.
Man, tall man, He kind of light skin and he have pretty hair.
Yes, you're gone back again. Tell me name or something.
Well, he mad out, a madman.
Madman? You know some pass a madman up there, so?
Wait,
In a bush?
one tall madman?
Tall.
And he go like my baby?
Yeah.
Naya, why you take so long, girl? So me get information. You hurry up and come now. Jesus Christ. You're gone. Thanks, are you, darling?
Yeah, man, bye.
Jesus Christ. Hurry up and come. See me on the left phone here.
What happened, brother?
See him up there, so come on. Yeah. We get good news. Let's say up in one bush here. He me a look for. We call you. Alright. Hurry up and walk now. So watch out.
What?
Bible land and tie up. How could I cause this? So where you go?
Girl, nobody worry about me head tie up on the Bible. You see me go up there, you go see how good God is. You see from today, you go always take up your Bible and read the Psalms. And you go walk around your house and pray every single day.
Come hurry up and go up there. Because if I say Bible can't help him, I just want him better. Because I
Alright,
know
come
my
on.
JDs. I love him to my heart. Come on.
Alright, you go see what's going to happen. You hear what I say?
Come back.
Ice cream?
Yeah, me buy ice cream. But wait, sit down and wait. See the ice cream lady there. The ice cream lady that, so she'll read something to you.
Baby!
Wait, stop.
Baby!
Listen now, she'll read. Give me spoon. I tell you use it ice cream. Just give me, I'll protect it for you. She'll go read something to you first, yeah? And then you go get ice cream. Are you ready?
Ice cream?
Yes.
Ice cream?
Hold on, you get the ice cream.
Baby, play.
Yeah, you soon play.
Alright, Psalms 91.
You soon play. Just give me a spoon. Listen to what she has say.
Alright, Browning, just hold him steady, you hear?
Baby, play.
Hold it.
Baby, play.
Psalms 91. He that dwell in the secret place of the Most High might. He that dwell in the secret
Listen to
place
me.
of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty.
Jesus Christ, rebuke it
I
every
will
time.
Play, don't play.
I will say of the Lord that He is my refuge and my fortune. My God,
Read
in
it.
Him will I trust. Surely He will deliver me from thee, spear of thy foes, and from thy noisome pleasant. He shall cover thee with his feather, and under his wings shall thou trust. His truth shall shield and buckler.
Baby. Babes.
Thou shalt not be afraid of thy terror of by night,
Baby.
nor of the arrow by the feet of the day.
Babes. I'm keen and wake up. Babes.
You have no water?
No have no water. I'm gonna carry now. I'm keen and wake up now. Babes. Baby. Wake up.
You're still alive, man. You still breathe.
Jesus Christ.
So, Browning, you don't see a curse, somebody curse him, though.
Me know me see it. Because him a talk about me catch him on the phone and talk about something about sacrifice. And then by the time he start talk to me, me only see him start going like he mad, like he get stroke. So me know see something he do. He
You
coulda
feel
just,
you're frightened because he never want to tell
I'm
you.
not frightened and him a go like him a mad somebody. He could have just come to me from the start and talk to me with a understand. Babes, me still love him because I know when he do I have to help it 2 weeks. So I can't have nothing against him. I still love him.
Make you lie, just make you lie down little. He might go wake up.
Can't make him lie down your son. It's too dirty. Babes.
You must say have any bag saying I go dirty of himself.
No, me hold him. Me hold him up. Babes. See if I can get some water and flush pan him or something. Babes. Babes.
Hey, hold on there. Up your yard, me just a come from, you know.
You want to now, Jay?
We here, where you look for me, man. Me I tell you, I appreciate it. Trust me. You saved my life. Me here, me go mad. Me I run around like a baby, like a pig. Me I go along some way. Couldn't believe.
Remember, you know, you're the whole heap of good for me, so that's not nothing. Plus, you set me up for that decent work. But me, I see how much come by your car right now.
Proud of you. But me like what you do for me and me like that, and me I will continue to say, I'm glad you do the good work and you know your Bible and see the go to church and me go read and know the Holy Ghost Bible and everything. I appreciate that and me like that. So I'm have to tell you say life sometimes but anyway, as me I say now, so much people in the world would do so much things to people. They don't see mad people and just load them and think that they're really mad just like that.
Remember the first thing, you know a mad man, you know, you was a rich man. I know you're good like that, you're the whole heap of good for me, you know.
Yeah, but between me and you, the rich life was no, it wasn't not so easy, a bloody rich. The blood money me have.
Oh, they said to me, say don't want to give me info.
Yeah, that's why I say I don't want to. That's why I give that the work them I don't want to put in there because you have to go sacrifice somebody where you love.
Here ya?
Or you have to go try to hunt on virgin. So me kind of just say, alright, yo, Every time I'm not too much for property them, you know. The dog remind me of somebody yard didn't come from. Anyway, I'm not a human being and dog mix up right now.
So who you sacrifice, Jay?
Yeah, a long story, I don't want to think about it. I don't want to think about it and just let it alone. I know my life changed and I give my life to God and there's nothing can stop me again. So God Almighty will say, me a true born over Christian and me now go back down that dirty road.
I'm proud of you, very proud.
Me know in the Bible they say every man deserves a second chance. Even the murderers them deserve a second chance. But after the second chance, there's no more chance. You get one chance at life. So anyway still, take care of me. I go we don't know if pastor can we go for a prayer warrior meeting. So by tomorrow morning you go back down to me yard. So if in case anything I there same way I end up on the work same way, me make a note for me even phone is still.
Alright.
So
You look rolling for me, yeah?
alright.
A good brother with you now.
Yeah man. Yeah, people are reached the end of the movie, which I never wanted to end, so it's because some of them wasn't available today. Today's what? Sunday. But some of them are really available, like Bob. I sent to call him to finish about 3 to 4 scenes. I didn't see him come, so I just want to complete it without waiting on it. And then Mel, I don't know where Mel is. Definitely Mel have at least 5 scenes did we shoot where the movie should be more spicy. It would have ended in a part 3 because true she's not here, it cannot be end, even Bob. So I said let's go to final chapter where we go for the evil. Cause remember, good will always win the evil. And a matter of fact, Lord, how they have increased who trouble me. Many are they who rise up against me. Many are they who say of me, there is no help for him in God. Don't make nobody tell you that God can't help you. This is maybe be the second or the third time I ever read a Bible, and I think you guys should try it, because the more I read the Bible, the more I feel glorified. I don't know if you understand that word. Sometimes I feel like, you know, but let's see, because someone don't really believe in God, so we're not going to go there. So let's go to chapter 4 if you want to go to part 4 to see what happened. Bye bye.